guys, and today we are going to be reviewing and testing out the Take Note Crayola new markers. So these are great for coloring, taking notes. So we have 4 different kinds of markers. So these 3 are highlighters and pens. No, these are highlighters, these are pens, these are dry erase markers, and these are permanent markers. So I'm gonna test it out on 4 different things for the 4 different categories. I love these bright colors. Oh my God, these are erasable highlighters. These are highlighters 2-in-1. Whoa. And these are pastel pens. Erasable highlighters. So I think we're only gonna try out 2 of the 3. So I wanna try out these 2. Actually, these 2. So let's put this one aside. So I'm going to use the highlighter pens to write this in what I'm gonna write notes and write. I love them so much. Here, this is cool. So I'm gonna write this. So on Tuesday, I have soccer. Wednesday I have soccer. So I'm just gonna do this. Do that. Then, ready? I'm going to put this side and write. Oh, that's not that one. See? So cool. I love this so much. So now, I'm gonna do this on this, and this one, these say that if you on plastic, so if you have a plastic cup, you wanna name it yourself, can go on wood, metal, fabric. Okay, so now I'm going to write my name on this, which you saw I hope you saw on another video, so no one takes it from me, and yeah. I love these colors so much. So I think red will go really good on this. Coloring. These are better for writing and taking notes. You can take notes for either one if you want. So this is perfect for my journal because this one is like the writing part and this one's like coloring. So yeah, so I'm gonna Oh, it's so bright. I love it. I know I'm rushing, but if I really take my time, it could be wonderful. I love that. So now I'm gonna do this, and these actually have grips. So say little Johnny got like marker there. Like that. Oh no, it can't come out. Well, it can. I'm just gonna lick my fingers. So you do that, and then washes away. Isn't that so cool? So now it says, what talent would you like to explore? I think I have a talent for soccer, so I'm gonna write That's beautiful, perfect. I love these, and these have these little clips so you can clip it on anything you want. Okay, so now I can highlight it. Last and final thing, we have to go downstairs, but I'm gonna do the erasers. So I'm just gonna pick up. Okay, so now I'm in my basement. We have this really cool whiteboard in here. So, and these are the colors. So I'm gonna write with some. And these colors never come when I went to buy eraser markers. So I'm gonna do a heart. And I'll see you next time. Bye.